Hello everyone, welcome to Jades Art Academy. My name is Mavic Squats. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your video to be user-friendly using HTML, and this is the most effective way. What does it mean to make a video to be user-friendly? To make a video to be user-friendly means that that video has to have all the necessary features for a client to be able to access the video. An example is the controls button. Now, when a person wants to play a video, we all know that the play button is always around down here, and to pause the video is down here, the volume and all of them, they are over here. So the way you fix and add the control buttons is what makes it to be user friendly. It's what makes the client to know already how to play the video, how to make use of the video, how to even download the video in your website. So these are the things that makes a video to be user friendly, and I'm going to show you the source code in which you can make your own video to be user friendly, and we are going to use HTML. So open your text editor and we will begin coding. Okay, so now that we've opened our text editor, to make our video to be user friendly, we will need to have three things. One, to adjust the size, add a poster, and add in the controls attribute. The first thing we're going to do is to create the source code, and that will be video source. By now you must have downloaded a video that you want to use for this project. Once you've downloaded the video, add it to the folder, that is, move it to the folder in which the HTML file is in. So I'm going to use this video that I have in the folder, and also make sure to check the properties so as to know the format that the video comes in, if it's .mp4 or if it's WebM. It's very important. So this is the video source. We are creating the source code now, the video source, and then we'll add the poster. The poster would be the image, and let's save it and refresh it. There. So we'll add the width and the height. The width and the height attributes, I'll make it 520. The height will be 240, and then we add the controls, and then we close it. Once we refresh, you see it. We've already added the three attributes into one: the poster, the width, the height, and the controls. Now the essence of the poster is to give a brief intro into what the video is going to be about. The width and the height help in adjusting the size of the video so that it won't take all the whole space. As for the controls, it's an essential part in making your video to be user friendly, because it helps the user to be able to play the video and to stop the video, to increase the volume, and to go about in playback speed or picture-in-picture mode. But it plays a very major role in this user-friendly stuff we're talking about. So you've seen how we've blended all the whole three attributes into one to make our video user friendly, and it came out as this. We've adjusted the size, we've added the poster, and we've added the controls attributes. You can also add these attributes to make it all the more user friendly. Let's see, we'll add it to video source. I'm still going to use the same video, but for you to see how we can make it more user friendly. This time we'll add the autoplay, the mute, and the loop. Now autoplay, as the name sounds, is to help it to automatically play the video once the page has been refreshed. As for the muted, the browser, generally browsers don't like a video that is unmuted, as in that you hear the sound, so it might mute it for you, or it might say the page has error or something like that. So to avoid any of those circumstances, you add the muted attribute. And loop is for the video to keep on playing and playing and playing to infinity. So I'm going to save it and then refresh, and there we see it's here. And we are going to add the width and the height over here to adjust the size. Let's make it the same, and let's make the height to be the same, 240. We'll save it and then we'll refresh it. There, you can see it's playing, automatically playing. As I refresh the page, this part doesn't play, but this one plays because I've used the autoplay attribute. And as you've noticed, I didn't add the controls, so this is how it will look like when you do not add the controls. Now let's make it user friendly by adding the controls after the loop. So you've seen it, we added the width and the height, the autoplay, muted, loops, and controls. So the way it is now, we can say that the video is user friendly. There, you see it is muted already. So anytime we refresh, it plays automatically, has the controls, and the size has been adjusted so that we can add as many more videos as we want to. So you've seen how we created a source code. Let me go back to the text editor so that you see it. It's the video source, YouTube intro, that's the name of my video. We use the poster, the width and the height, and then the controls. Controls, please, it takes a really essential part in the user friendliness. When it comes to making it user friendly, it's very important. And you've also seen how we added the autoplay, the muted, the loop, and the controls. That was another way you can make your video to be user friendly. So now you can choose any of these source codes and just add them to your text editor and check it out with any video of your choice. And once you've seen the result, you can see how user friendly it is. You can even add it to your website. So check it out, and if you've seen the results, you can also add in the comments below how the results look like, and if you need any help, you can also ask in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching this short video. I'll see you in our next video, where we'll be talking about another entire new feature in web development. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.